Are you ready for another Dollar Tree to Cute Me video? In this video, I'm using another one of the pencil pouches that I bought at the Dollar Tree along with this scarf. And I'm going to use the back of the pencil pouch, and I have a little surprise at the end of the video using the applique, and I'm using this book cover. And I forgot to mention I'll be using the pink zipper on the pencil pouch. And I have two non-Dollar Tree items, this zipper that I picked up at a thrift store, and I'm recycling one of my husband's shirts. I'll be using the sleeve of the shirt, both sleeves. I've deconstructed the pencil pouch, taken the zipper off, and the three grommets. I probably end up using those at some point. So the next step is to draw the front of the jacket onto the inside of the pencil pouch. When using a new pattern, always make a mock-up or a muslin of the pattern that you're using, and you can see that my pattern is too big. I'm going to take in the sleeves. You can see that they're about 1 inch too wide. And also I want to put a hem in this mock pattern to make a short jacket. Okay, back to the Dollar Tree fabric. I've got the front of the pattern, and I'm drawing the back of the jacket onto my shirt fabric. And I am working on a pattern to sell on Etsy if you're interested. And you can see that I'm using the ribbing that's already on the shirt sleeve. Okay, I'm drawing the sleeve pattern, and then I will draw the other sleeve pattern. I'm assembling the parts and getting ready to sew. I've sewn the sleeve to the front of the jacket, and next you sew the back of the sleeve to the back of the jacket. I've matched up the bottom of the sleeve, and I'll just sew in that area, and you can tell that I need to cut some of the neckline off. Now, when I tried this on the doll, the neckline was too wide. So rather than adjust my pattern, I decided just to put a little pleat in the back of the jacket. And as it turned out, I really liked having the pleat there. So I did not make adjustments to the pattern. The front of the jacket needs the ribbing, so I will just cut enough to sew onto the front two pieces. And that's the end of the ribbing on the sleeves. So now I need to take the collar part of the men's shirt and just kind of slant it, and then come up about, I think I came up about 1/2 inch, and it does look like a jacket collar. I think I show you more detail on the mock-up at the end of the video. And you see, in order to get that finished edge, I will have to make a seam somewhere in the collar. I like to use a glue stick when I am inserting a zipper, and be sure to don't cut your zipper until you actually sew it. This keeps you from going over that the zipping mechanism, it always makes a crooked top stitch when you have to go over that. So look at my nice flat top stitch. And you see that I am sewing a zipper stop at the bottom. I think you can buy the type of zippers that have that fastening end to them. Okay, you're ready to cut the zipper off, and then just kind of tuck it under to the back and put a few hand stitches in that to hold it. And I'm showing you my zipper foot. Most machines come with that attachment. Now, the one thing that you will have to do is pull the jacket up the doll's body. Okay, I'm going to make the leggings, and this book cover has 2 pieces of elastic. I'll cut those off, and guess what? I am going to use those in a few minutes. Okay, you will fold the piece of fabric, and I am working on a fall bundle, which will include the jacket and these cute little leggings. Let's use that scarf. I've folded 2 pieces and sewn them together. I'll have those exact measurements in the pattern. And I folded it down. I'm going to make a casing for the elastic. I'm sewing the front to the back. And this is what it looks like. Makes a cute little top, but it needs a belt. So I pulled out one of my hair bands and this ring binder, and I'll just make a little belt out of those 2 items. I love this boho look, this mix and match type of outfit. And let's go back to the mock-up, or the muslin. The fabric looked so good till I decided just to go ahead and finish it off. And remember, I made it shorter. I made a casing and threaded a piece of elastic through that casing. And I used the pink zipper that was on the pencil pouch. I used some of the ribbing from the t-shirt, and that will go on the neck of the jacket. And here's a close-up. I fold it under the raw edge of the jacket, and then I'm just going to top stitch, making a little slant up there at the top. And then once again on the other side. So once again, use a glue stick for the zipper. Glue one side and then zip it to get it even when you glue the other side. And remember, do not cut until you sew a nice little straight top stitch. And I'm putting a zipper stop on the top and the bottoming. You'll notice that my zipper is a little bit frayed, so I can use heat to seal that. So as it turned out, the mock-up of my pattern was so cute I had to finish it, so it's all nice and neat. And do I dare put an applique on it? Of course I do. So I'm going to use the little round hello. I cut it out, I glued it on, I put a top stitch on it, and the hat, skirt, and tights are from the back to school video. Be sure to watch that one. Thanks for watching.